Next up on Crazy Wind Day, we got wind gusts over 15. Average is over 10. And they're coming from this way. So they're not quite down the runway, they're across. It's made for some fun flying. And next we got the Valiant, which is a good plane.
Time to start.
A fun plane. This is my banner tow plane, so it's very capable of flying. Whoa. No gyro, just a PMP. So no ASX, no nothing. Wow. I'm sure the wind is strong up there, because I was getting gusts over 15. It's blowing strong now. It might even be stronger than when I had the anemometer out. Well, we'll get her in the pattern here.
Time remaining 7 minutes.
I wonder if my battery's moving. So we can squeeze a landing in here.
Time to stop.
Ooh. Well, we got about 3 landings out of that. That worked out.
Time to start.
Man, it's wanting to get blown all the way. It wants to go downwind off of takeoff and not whiff the wind. I'm trying to keep the wings a little flat because that's the strongest wind right there. I did that turnaround. This doesn't feel quite as locked in as the Tundra did. But it sure, I wonder if I twisted something in the hauler. Let's land it and look at it again. I mean, I checked it over. I did a pretty good flea flight. My lips are dry, they're sticking together. Free flight. We don't have any humidity here in LA.
Time to stop.
There we go. That was a good landing. This is we taxi back. Nope. Nope. Ah, I see what's happened. The winds have kind of shifted from over here now. They're blowing over here. Kind of down from there to there, so that's weird. So that explains why it was flying the way it was flying.
Time to stop. Time to start.
Those skirts, sometimes they get caught in the weeds on this runway. The roots have runners. Alright, so not only do I have winds over 15, I've got variable directions now, so this is going to be a fun rest of the afternoon here to fly. Like I said, I like flying this plane a lot. I've got a lot of flights on it, a lot of banner snags. Just look on my channel, just Valiant banner snags, towed. There we go.
Time to start. Time remaining 5 minutes.
Oh, winds are crazy, man. They're crazy. Little rudder flip around turn. This plane with the receiver is only like 230. It's a bottom feeder. That's the only bad thing, but it's one of the better flyers though.
Time to start. Time to stop.
There we go. That was smooth. That was smooth. And I got my winds coming from this way again. They might have died down a little bit for that landing. I tried to calibrate my prop, but I think I made it worse, man. Before this flight, I shouldn't have done it in the wind.
Time remaining 4 minutes. Timer stop.
Ooh. Wow. That was weird there, man. That was weird. It's like the wind's just like somebody's got a switch on it, man.
Timer start. Timer stop.
I'm over in the taller grass there. Let's go over and give it the boot. I'm in the rough, man. The rough technically starts right about here. From right about here over is rough. And I mean rough. Ain't a whole lot happening in the rough. And you can almost see right here. Right here is where it gets smooth. There's only about a 12-14 foot area of smooth runway. There's not much wind right now. Oh, just as I said that. I didn't even have to say it. As soon as I thought it. As soon as I thought it, it started blowing again. Well, so far this has been the hardest plane to fly. And honestly, I thought it would be easiest to fly in the wind. And the wind's coming from two different directions there. You can tell it's coming from pretty bad over there. It's coming from behind me here. Ooh. Man, we're getting whipped around pretty bad. Could probably use. It's just it's handling funny. Something's not right.
Time remaining 3.
I'm sure it's just the wind. Because the wind is coming from many directions. Trying to crab it into the wind.
Timer stop.
I don't know if I got another landing left in me or not, man. It's been tough.
Timer start. Landing flaps.
Oh
Cruise
no.
mode.
Yeah, we don't want cruise mode is why my flaps up on this. Right down the runway. Oop. Fighting the wind. Nope. She's getting blown around pretty good, man. Golly.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
There we go. Alright, let's land her right there.
Timer stop.
Whoa!
Timer stop.
Whoa! Oh, that was smooth there. She's getting whipped around. Woo, woo, one wheel then the other. Holy moly's, man, that was pretty spectacular. Let's bring her. She should come towards me more or less. The wind is, she's wanting to whip in the wind. Wow.
Motor off.
Wow, that was a flight there. Holy cow, man. Oh, that was the worst wind. That wind is stronger than when I walk around the anemometer. I'm sure those gusts were well over 15 there. Holy smolies, man. That was a flight and a half. That was a fun flight. That's all I got to say. Man, the old Valiant in the sun and the wind. It was fun. That was fun, man. Having a fun day out here flying. Tuco in the shade, nose in the wind. Most of the time, he's been walking around. We had it looks like a termite guy was here and a FedEx guy, so he's had plenty of action today. There's your Eflite Valiant in the sun. A great plane, man. Really well designed. And man, the wind was whipping it today. She was fun, man. Lemon, I got a lemon receiver in it, so no ASX, no gyro, no this, no that, just me in the wind having fun. Tuco in the shade. We're out here having fun at Liberty Landing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. This is Jeff saying,